Okay, so when we left off, I had gotten to the point of these, I call these the horns, kind of like the front horns on a frame of a car. They were 4 feet, and what I did, I cut them back a little bit, and then of course, what I wanted was, I did not want them sticking out past here when when it's in the couch mode. And to lock it, I put a piece of wood right here that bumps right up against that. So what I'm going to do here is gonna disassemble it. Here comes a loud boom, so you got headphones on, turn it down. Bam! There's your bed. Complete with a small storage spot and large storage spot. That's 10 inches by 9.5 inches this way by 54 across. And of course, put it up against the wall with the trailer. This will be up against the wall, so that doesn't really matter there. I just have those little pieces on there to keep it from tipping over or falling off, sliding off. Because remember, the mattress is going to hang off a few inches on both sides. So hang in there with me, and let's disassemble this so that you can see. Maybe I'll move you another camera angle so you can see how it's put together. Yeah, that's probably not good. You can look at it from the side, I guess. So you can see how it's put together to make one for yours. You can use the same measurements as I did by being 52 across this way, and then each one of the panels, my panels are 20 inches, 20 inches, and 20 inches, and then right over here is, well, I guess you call it the headboard, will be 14 inches. So remember, when you get this folded up in bench position, that looks like a lot of space, but you got 4 inches of mattress coming down the back side of it and coming down across here. But that still leaves you room to stuff blankets and pillows and things like that out of the way. So let's move this one, and then we'll take the next piano hinge off. I'm going to leave them on one side like you see here, so I don't have as much extra work to redo. Then I have, you can see here on the back, that's to stop it so it doesn't go much further. And then a little bit extra support on the ground. And as I go along and it's able to spend more time on it, I'll see if I need to replace those or get rid of those 2 legs there. But maybe I do, maybe I don't. We will see. Cannot have a support from here to here, otherwise your other legs won't slide through. So I'm gonna point you at the camper so you can watch the fiasco of me trying to get it in the door. Or maybe I'll just move it around the outside of here. Still not very good with this camera work, but let's see what we can do. And once I get the stuff inside the camper, I'll bring y'all in there too. Got some light on there. Turn this light on. Grab the wrong end of the extension cord. May have to take one off. Didn't measure any of this, but we'll see. I have to take both horns off. We'll see. That centered just about where you want it. Let's see if we can get the camera a little closer. Anybody getting seasick yet? At least it's not like my old camera where it made all kinds of horrible noise. Let's see. I know that if I don't move all this stuff, it's going to be in the way in just a minute. include the fire extinguisher as well. Let's see, get it moved down a little bit. I'll fill this space up, I tell you. This whole bed thing was a complete afterthought. Complete afterthought, but it's okay. And then slide up in here. If you want to hang with me just a little bit longer, I'll put the I'll fasten down the piano hinges and then we'll fold it up. Let's see if it's proper fit for the trailer. I'm not going to put all the screws in and keep you here all day, but we're going to get just a few in here so oh, yeah, that's right. That's what was getting in there just right. Yeah, that was. Put just a few screws in this one and let's just test drive it right quick. And next, if this all goes good, then I'll polyurethane it today, and then hit it with some fine sandpaper. Make sure all the burrs are off of it. Fishing lure, awesome. I have to lift it like this, get it up. They have to put the horns, they have to screw those down so they don't move. Now you can see we got yeah, I think this will be comfortable. I'm not sure how that up that camera is. So you can see my head height. I am 5'9". As you can see, we got plenty of space under for storage, and you can always put a couple of bins under here. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I may put it on the hinge so it's not in your face when you're doing stuff. But for right now, just put it there because I don't want to flex anything out of the spot. Again, imagine a 4-inch mattress on here going up like this, and up like that and around. You could actually, if you had an infant, you could put your couple of pillows back there and raise it up where your little child could be this high up, and they could be napping back there while you're sitting here watching TV or whatever you're doing. Not too bad. I'm pleased with it. It's not the fanciest one, but once you cover it with a mattress and throw a blanket over and some pillows, you don't really care. All right, 5x10 teardrop camper without a galley strikes again. Come leave a comment. One of the neighbors. Leave a comment on my page. I'd appreciate it. I'll come to your page and leave a comment for you. Right now, during the pandemic, I got nothing else to do but watch your videos. So if I don't know who you are, I won't know where to watch the video. So leave me a comment. I'll see y'all soon.